Morning, it's sunrise in Buskalan in the land of Apo Fangod. So this is how they wake up in the morning. I woke up like this, and there's even the moon. I think you can't see it. And there's also the moon. Good morning rice fields. Good morning Buskalan, good morning. 5:30 in the morning in Buskalan. I'm among the rice fields and simply amazed by the little things. That's a little cloud over there peeping behind the hill. It looks like a hill now. It's actually a mountain. I'm on top of a mountain. I'm on a mountainside. And that is a high-flying cloud passing low among these mountains. As sure as the sun rises every day, the rice stalks will grow, and they will grow rice and feed everybody in the land. In Kalinga,
Huikat.
Kwayuay Huikat. On. On is
On,
yes.
yes.
On, yes. Kwayuay Huikat. Hui. Kwayu.
Huikat.
Kwayuay Huikat.
Huikat.
Huikat. And thank you means
Thank you.
salamat.
Tagalog.
Tagalog, yes. In Kalinga,
Thank you.
you don't say thank you often.
Asan say thank you say ikut-hut. Mili
Ano
kakamusan.
salamat?
Hoon.
Salamat.
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Salamat. Kwayuay Huikat.
Huikat.
Kwayuay Huikat.
Oh, so you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.